Hey guys, so I found this game. Well, it's really popular. It's called Doomspire. Oh, I gotta get it from this guy. So anyways, I've heard someone has died while playing this game. And so I'm just trying to see how that happened. But for that, I'm gonna just go have fun because I haven't played this. Frick. I haven't played this game in a while. So, what is that? Anyways, so, yeah, someone died in this game, and, oh my gosh. I thought I saw something that, what? Yo, wait, who are you?